Hi, I'm Miriam, the Cottage Creatrix. I'm a plastic canvas artist, and today on the plastic canvas basic series that I'm teaching, I'm going to show you the cross stitch. This is pretty much like my last two videos, the continental stitch and the tent stitch. You're going to start out with either one of those, whichever you prefer. For this example, I'm going to use the continental, and we are going to go and work right to left, coming in at the top and doing our diagonals. Now what the cross stitch is it's just basically 2 rows of continental stitches worked over top of each other in opposite directions. So we're going to do our first row, the bottom row of the continental, going once again from the right to the left. And then we are going to go and start our next row, the top row, top layer of continental stitches, immediately above where we ended our last stitch, and we are going to work left to right, directly over top of those stitches to make our X's. So it's going to be all the way across, once again, just matching stitch for stitch. And then we got our nice little row of X's, nice little row of crosses. And we are going to just flip it over. We're going to end our little sample roll for our library card here. Gonna go and clip it. And then I am going to go and finish my stitch library card for my stitch library book. And I'm just going to fill in everything all the way down on the rest of the card in with the cross stitches. And it's just working the bottom row first. Then when we come to the end, we bring it up and we work over top of the stitches that we just did. And we keep doing this for every row. Okay, I got my cross stitch sample card already completed. And there's tiny little X's all on the front. And then on the back, it's nice and full with all of the straight up and down stitches that you typically see in the continental stitch. Now, if you wanted to go and use the tent stitch to do the X's the same way, to have all X's on the back, that's another variety that you can do of the cross stitch. If you like this video, can you please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel? And that way you don't miss out on any of the other videos of the other stitches that I'm going to be going and teaching. And our next stitch that we're going to be talking about will be the running stitch. Thanks so much and have a great day.